What's up, guys? It's Aaron from How To's by Bros. Today we're going to be showing you how to do a backflip on a bed step by step. So, or on the mattress, whatever you want to call it. So, alright, so you should have it on the trampoline easily and be able to do it standing on the trampoline. Once you have it standing on the trampoline, mattresses really are safe and bouncy. I'm not going to say, like, if you land on your head, like, you're not going to land on your head because you have to just commit. But if you land on your head, it really is just going to you're just going to be sore for a couple days, but it's not like you're going to break your neck. It's very soft, most mattresses. So, this is not a super bouncy mattress, so so it's not super, like, bouncy, but, so what you're going to do is you really want to use your arms, alright? So you really want to use your arms, bend down, don't bend down too far, but bend down enough, and then swing your arms, go up, shoot up, and then tuck. And then just like a normal backflip on the trampoline, it's really, really simple, really easy, yeah, so that's pretty much, and then spot your landing. Like, it's really not going to hurt if you land on your knees on a mattress or on your stomach on a mattress even. So just have fun with it, and you can also get spotted. We're going to show you somebody getting spotted right now. Yes! Yes! Let's go! Dude, let's go, dude. Oh, that's so good. And yeah, so I'll show you the backflip. I'll do it this way. So swing your arms, go up, just like that. I'll show you the other way too. Swing your arms, just like that. Thank you so much for watching. That's how to do a backflip on a bed step by step. Click the link in the description for a backflip ebook on sale, and my Instagram below. God bless. Have a great day.